Gorillas, the largest of the great apes, embody a unique blend of power and gentleness. These magnificent creatures, inhabiting the lush rainforests of Central Africa, have captivated human imagination for centuries. From their imposing physical presence to their complex social structures and remarkable intelligence, gorillas offer a window into the rich tapestry of life on Earth. However, their existence is increasingly threatened by habitat loss, poaching, and disease, making their conservation a critical priority. This essay will delve into the fascinating world of gorillas, exploring their biology, behavior, social dynamics, and the challenges they face in the 21st century. Physically, gorillas are awe-inspiring. Their robust build, covered in thick, dark hair, speaks to their strength and resilience. Adult males, known as silverbacks due to the silver hair that develops on their backs as they mature, can stand over 6 feet tall and weigh upwards of 400 pounds. Their powerful limbs and large hands and feet are perfectly adapted for navigating the dense forest undergrowth and climbing trees, although they spend the majority of their time on the ground. Their large heads, featuring prominent brow ridges and small, intelligent eyes, contribute to their imposing presence. While their size might suggest aggression, gorillas are generally gentle and peaceful creatures, preferring to avoid conflict whenever possible. Gorillas are primarily herbivores, their diet consisting mainly of leaves, stems, fruits, and occasionally insects. They are selective feeders, possessing a remarkable ability to distinguish between edible and toxic plants. Their large digestive systems are specifically adapted to process the high cellulose content of their leafy diet. They spend a significant portion of their day foraging for food, moving through their territories in search of sustenance. This constant search for food plays a crucial role in shaping their social dynamics and territorial behavior. The social structure of gorillas is complex and fascinating. They live in family groups, known as troops, which typically consist of a dominant silverback, several adult females, and their offspring. The silverback plays a crucial role in the troop, acting as the leader, protector, and primary decision-maker. He maintains order within the group, mediates disputes, and defends the troop against outside threats. The females form strong bonds with each other and are responsible for raising their young. Juvenile gorillas spend their time playing, learning essential social skills, and gradually integrating into the troop's hierarchy. These close-knit family units provide a sense of security and stability for individual gorillas. Communication within gorilla troops is a complex mix of vocalizations, gestures, and facial expressions. They use a wide range of calls to communicate with each other, from grunts and barks to more complex vocalizations that convey specific messages. Body language also plays a significant role. Chest beating, a behavior often associated with gorillas, is a display of dominance and strength, typically performed by silverbacks. Grooming is another important social activity, serving to strengthen bonds between individuals and maintain hygiene. Through these various forms of communication, gorillas maintain their social structure and navigate the complexities of their daily lives. Gorillas are remarkably intelligent creatures. They possess cognitive abilities comparable to those of chimpanzees and orangutans. They are capable of problem-solving, tool use, in some populations, and exhibit a high degree of social awareness. Studies have shown that gorillas can learn sign language and understand complex concepts. Their intelligence is crucial for their survival in the challenging rainforest environment, allowing them to adapt to changing conditions and find creative solutions to problems. Despite their strength and intelligence, gorillas face a number of serious threats to their survival. The most pressing threat is habitat loss. Deforestation, driven by logging, agriculture, and mining, is rapidly destroying the rainforests that gorillas call home. As their habitat shrinks, gorilla populations become fragmented, making them more vulnerable to disease and genetic isolation. Poaching is another significant threat. Gorillas are hunted for bushmeat and their body parts are sometimes sold on the black market. The illegal pet trade also poses a risk, with young gorillas being captured and sold as exotic pets. Disease, particularly Ebola, has also had a devastating impact on gorilla populations, wiping out entire troops in some cases. Conservation efforts are crucial for the survival of gorillas. Numerous organizations and dedicated individuals are working tirelessly to protect these magnificent creatures. These efforts include establishing protected areas, combating poaching, working with local communities to promote sustainable practices, and conducting research to better understand gorilla behavior and ecology. Ecotourism, when implemented responsibly, can also play a role in conservation by providing economic incentives for local communities to protect gorillas and their habitat. The future of gorillas hangs in the balance. While conservation efforts have made some progress, the threats they face are significant and ongoing. Protecting gorillas requires a multifaceted approach, involving collaboration between governments, conservation organizations, local communities, and individuals around the world. It is crucial to address the root causes of habitat loss, combat poaching, and mitigate the impact of disease.